Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, October 16th, 2023. It is 1:43 and 14 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, electron beam. So let's hop to it here. A surprising discovery shows electron beam radiation can repair nanostructures, self-healing crystals, can improve materials used in today's electronics. Date October 12, 2023. Source: University of Minnesota. In a surprising new study, researchers have found that the electron beam radiation that they previously thought degraded crystals can actually repair cracks in these nanostructures. The groundbreaking discovery provides a new pathway to create more perfect crystal nanostructures, a process that is critical to improving the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of materials that are used in virtually all electronic devices we use every day. What they showed in this study is that when they took a crystal titanium dioxide and irradiated it with an electron beam, the naturally occurring narrow cracks actually filled in and healed themselves. They were studying the cracks in the crystals under the electron microscope, and these cracks kept filling in. This was unexpected, and the team realized that maybe there was something even bigger that they should be studying. In the self-healing process, several atoms of the crystal moved together in tandem and met in the middle and formed a sort of bridge that filled the crack. For the first time, the researchers showed that the electron beams could be used constructively to engineer nanostructures atom by atom. Whether it is atomically sharp cracks or other types of defects in a crystal, they believe it is inherent in the materials they've grown. The scientific researchers say the next step is to introduce new factors like changing the electron beam conditions or changing the temperature of crystal to find a way to improve or speed up the process. And this is a professor of space technology, advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.